Respected viewers, welcome back to our channel Kids School. Our today's topic is Allah is One. Allah is one. He is the one God. Allah was not born. He will not die. He has no father. He has no mother. He has no wife. He has no children. He is one and alone. Allah is one. He has no partner. He has no need for children to live after him. Allah does not need children to help him. He does not need anyone to help him. Man needs to eat. Man needs to drink. Man needs to sleep. Man needs to rest. But Allah does not need to do any of these things. Allah does not eat. Allah does not drink. He gives man to eat. He gives man to drink. Allah does not need to rest. Sleep does not come to him. Nothing tires him. Allah does not feel sleepy.